Hey guys, this is Rakshak and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to find the answer of a question, that is, why should I go with Python 3? So let's move to our first slide, that is Python 2 versus Python 3. So our first point of discussion is that Python 2 is legacy and Python 3 is future. What it means? Actually, Python 2.7 is a successive and stable version of Python, and it rules the market for so long, and by 2020 it will become obsolete. Here obsolete doesn't mean that we can't use this version, but we will not get the official support on this product. Whereas if we see Python 3 is future, we can go with that, right? Also we will get official support on this product. In this slide, don't get confused actually by this greater sign, right? It is actually showing that we have to move towards the future. So now let us understand the second point, that is indifference between libraries. As we know, most of the modules have been written in Python 2, and there could be a compatibility error with Python 3 and vice versa. Since Python 3 is the future, many of today's developers are creating libraries strictly for the use of Python 3. Similarly, many older libraries built for Python 2 are not forwards compatible. So from this point we can understand that there is an indifference between libraries. Moving towards the third point, and that is in Python 3 text strings are stored as Unicode, whereas in Python 2 strings are stored as ASCII by default. And if you want to store strings in Unicode in Python 2, you just have to add U tag before you write your string. So by this point we get to know that Python 2 text strings are ASCII and Python 3 text strings are Unicode by default. After that, let's talk about the next point, that is integer division has been improved in Python 3. What I'm saying is, let's see what this means actually. So let me read this point once again. Integer division has been improved in Python 3. Actually, when we divide 7 by 2, it could give the answer 3.5, right? But in Python 2 it shows 3, whereas in Python 3 if we divide 7 by 2 it will give 3.5 as the answer, which is absolutely correct, right? Last but not the least, we have one more difference, and that is in Python 2 print is just a statement, whereas in Python 3 print is now playing a role as a predefined function. Now what is predefined function? If I ask someone what is predefined function, uh, to understand it, we have to understand what is function, right? A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Same as predefined means that the block of code has been written already, right? Means that the code has been written already and we just have to call it as per our requirements. When we need to call that, we will call, but we haven't written that code. It has been written by some developers, right? That is predefined functions. We just uh, calling that code by using the function. To know more about function, I'm going to make another video where I will be explaining you all how to create a function, how we can use it properly. So let's see what has stored something secretable in our next slide. So now moving to the next slide, we have some quotes provided by the big MNCs, multinational companies, that is YouTube and Google. So let's start with Google. What Google says, let's see. Let me open the slide. So just read what Google says. Google says actually Python has been an important part of Google since the beginning and remains so as the system grows and evolves. Today, dozens of Google engineers use Python, and we are looking for more people with skill in this language. It is said by Peter Norvig, Director of Search Quality at Google Inc. Now let's get to the next slide and oh my god. Let's see what YouTube says. Python is fast enough for our site and allows us to produce maintainable features in record time with a minimum of developers, said Kwong Do. It is said by Kwong Do, he is software architect at youtube.com. So now at last one question is in my mind, and that is there any company who is migrating from Python 2 to Python 3? Yes, I think I would get the answer in the next slide. OMG. Yeah, I love this movie. Oh my god. I would say you have to see this movie. Oh, sorry. I've gone off the topic. So we have two big companies who are migrating from Python 2 to Python 3. Let's see. Instagram and Facebook. Actually, Instagram is owned by Mark Zuckerberg, but not only this, other companies are also going to migrate from Python 2 to Python 3. It means that there would be more chances of getting jobs in big companies if I know Python 3. So I have to study for Python 3 now, but from where I can get good knowledge? Got it from IT-ADDA. One more thing from my side, that if if you are a beginner, right? If you are a beginner, I would suggest you to go for Python 3. It will going to help you a lot in future. Soon I'll be taking you to the journey of Python 3 with me, and we will going to make many programs in Python 3. So this is it. uh, I would suggest you, I would like to say one more thing. Please subscribe this channel if you like my video.